Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to add text to multiple photos or videos all at once in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on my desktop home screen I have one video as well as one image. So if you have tons of videos or image files, still the tricks will remain the same. So in order to add text to multiple photos or videos all at once, what you need to do is just select all the image and video files that you want to add a text. So I have selected, and now just right mouse click and just click on properties. Now go to this details, and you can see here under the text, now just double click on this blank area, and now say let me edit, say 2023. Just to give you an example, you can add any text whichever you want and just hit enter on your computer keyboard. And now at the bottom you will see here apply, right? Just click on apply and click on OK. Now let us check the properties of both this video as well as image file. Finally, you can see we have added the text, and let us check the image text. So you can see here. So this is how you can add text to multiple photos or videos all at once in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.